Did you know that the gap between the rich and the poor is widening at an alarming rate? By 2025, experts predict this gap will be wider than ever before. This means we are on the brink of a new economic reality. On one side, we see immense wealth and prosperity. On the other side, many will struggle to make ends meet. This stark contrast begs the question, where will you stand in 2025? Will you be enjoying the fruits of your labor, financially secure and free? Or will you be caught in the grips of debt and financial insecurity? The answer, my friends, lies in the choices you make today. The year 2025 is just around the corner. The decisions you make today will determine your financial destiny. Will you be celebrating your financial success or drowning in debt? It's time to take control. Many factors will impact your financial well-being in the coming years. The global economy is in constant flux. Inflation continues to rear its ugly head, eroding the value of your hard-earned money. Job security is becoming increasingly uncertain. Ignoring these realities is a recipe for disaster. But don't despair. While the challenges are real, so are the opportunities. By understanding the economic landscape and adopting sound financial habits, you can navigate these turbulent waters and emerge financially stronger than ever before. Let's face it, the rich and the poor don't think about money the same way. The wealthy understand the power of saving, investing, and building multiple streams of income. They live below their means, avoid debt like the plague, and constantly seek ways to grow their wealth. The poor, on the other hand, often fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck. They prioritize instant gratification over long-term financial security. They may struggle with impulse purchases, rack up credit card debt, and fail to plan for the future. The good news is, you can choose which path you want to take. By adopting the money habits of the wealthy, you can break free from the cycle of debt and build a solid foundation for financial success. Section 4, Riding the Economic Roller Coaster. The economy is like a roller coaster full of ups and downs, twists and turns. Predicting the future with absolute certainty is impossible. However, by paying attention to economic trends, you can make informed decisions about your money. For example, if you see inflation rising, it might be wise to invest in assets that tend to hold their value, such as real estate or precious metals. If the job market is uncertain, consider diversifying your income streams or acquiring new skills to make yourself more marketable. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed about economic developments, seek advice from financial experts, and be prepared to adapt your financial strategies as needed. Section 5, don't fall into these traps. The path to financial freedom is littered with potential pitfalls. One wrong step can send you tumbling into a deep financial hole. It's crucial to be aware of these traps and avoid them at all costs. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is racking up high-interest debt. Credit cards can be useful tools when used responsibly, but they can quickly become weapons of financial destruction if you're not careful. Avoid impulse purchases, pay your balance in full each month, and prioritize paying down any existing debt as quickly as possible. Another common trap is failing to plan for the future. Retirement may seem far away, but it's never too early to start saving and investing. The power of compound interest is real. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Section 6, the golden secret to financial freedom. Now for the million-dollar question. What's the secret to achieving financial freedom in 2025 and beyond? The answer is surprisingly simple. Live below your means. This doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation. It's about making conscious choices about your spending and prioritizing your financial goals. Track your expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and make saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. Remember, financial freedom is not about how much money you make, but about how much you keep and how you make it work for you. By adopting this golden rule, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future in 2025 and beyond. And